So friends, in our study lecture, we have seen agenda for Python. So, as per agenda, in this lecture, we are going to learn our first part, that is Introduction to Python. Okay, so without any delaying, let's start our first topic, that is Introduction to Python. So, hello friends, this is Navdeep Mehta and welcome to AI. And today's topic is Introduction to Python. So let's start. So in this lecture, we are going to study what is Python, followed by uses of Python, why Python, why Python syntax compared to other programming language, and last one is example of Python. So let's start with the first topic, that is introduction. What is Python? So let's continue. So So like the first language is Python. Python is a programming language, just like C++, Pascal, Ruby, Java, Perl, Delphi, Scalar, PLSQL. This is also a programming language. Now, as compared to these language, with Python is very easy to write, easy to understand because it doesn't have any more complexity, just a simple line of code we write in this Python. And you should know that this Python is developed by Goida van Rossum, and he is working for uh, Google and Dropbox. You listened about Google? And in Dropbox it will provide you an online cloud server where you can store some data, just like Google Drive. And this Python was developed in 1991 by this person. Okay, and he is that guy who developed Python. So in current situation, the latest version of Python is 3.8.0 as on 27 for 2021. Right now, it may be some different, but on 27th April 2021, the latest version of Python is 3.8.0. Now here, usage of Python. So you should know that Python is used in web development, software development, mathematics, and system scripting. Now here you see what are these different things. Web development, you also know that when you develop the website, then there's a lot of backend process. Suppose you have a website of calculator, then if you're going to implement a add feature, then here you can use Python code in backend, which will use to add this to number in that website. Okay, when we talk about the software development, then many of the software, most of the software we use Java language, but right now many software also come with Python language. In mathematics you should know that if we have to calculate anything in other language, then we write 5 to 10 lines for any mathematical operation, but in Python you just do it in just 2 to 3 lines. Okay, now fourth one is system scripting. So system scripting works when you open any app first time, then you see there are many things that he told you, that if you click on this button, you will with this action will perform. If you will click on this button, that this action will perform. Like just we take an example, if you click on the fire button, then fire will release the bullets from the gun will release. That is system scripting, nothing else. Okay, so you should have focus on systems scripting, mathematics, software development, and web development. These all the places Python is using, and in mathematics it is using huge. So let's move to the next topic. Here you see why Python. Why Python? There are a lot of programming language. I have shown you in my first slide. Uh, in my first slide, let's move to it. Here you see there are top 100 programming language link I have pasted here. It means in this current situation there are thousands of programming language is available right now. But why Python from these 100 language? What are these future which makes it as the best programming language current situation? So let's see it. Uh, Here is our current slide. Here why Python. Now the first thing you should notice that it works well on different platform. Different platform means here. Here you see Windows, OS, unknown, Linux, Chrome, FreeBSD, others. There here you see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 different platform, or maybe more. And in this all platform, it work very fine and easy way. Okay, you see that 83.28% are using Windows. These are the additional information, but you should know that in different platform, Python works very well as compared to other programming language. Okay, now the second line. Syntax is just like writing English. You just have to write in Python uh, 2 plus 3, and when you run this it will automatically give you 5. You just have to write in Python print a. When you press enter it will print a. So just like writing English we are using in this program. Here you write if a is equal to b, it will done. We have to do nothing, that we have close it in bracket like that, nothing. Okay, so syntax is just like writing English. Okay, now third line. Its syntax is just like anyone need few lines to write. Okay, I will get back to this topic in my next slide, that what this line means to say, but you just know that. Now, this line means to say that if you write any program in 10 to 12 line of code in other programming language except Python, then in Python you just write in 2 to 3 lines, just in 2 to 3 lines only. Now prototyping is very quick. What does this line mean? Say, just see this image. Here you get an idea, start working and get your result. So this is means to say that if you have to write the code, run the code, you get the output. There is no any other operation you have to do. Just have to write the code, run the code, you get output. In other programming there are some more thing that will happens. That the main thing is that it is very fast and we doesn't need many more process for it. Just if you just getting idea, doing things, getting output, else we cannot do any step. So let's move to the next lecture. Python syntax compared to other programming language. How Python is different from other programming language. So let's learn these things. 1 minute guys. Okay, so before understanding these things, I'm doing something here. Here we write C++ because I know this and I know Python. Okay, so if we have to write a value is equal to 5, then you have to do this thing int a, and then you have to write a is equal to 5. In Python you have to just write a is equal to 5. So here you see guys, the first line is saying that other programming language are not just like writing English as compared to Python. How? Let's see. If we have something to write, then a is equal to 5. Commonly we write this, and this is our Python code. Many of you write these things regularly, but you don't know this is a Python code. And in C++, what we have to first we have to initialize a value, that yes, there is a value a. int a, then we have write a is equal to 5. So this is not an English like in the writing like English and others, but here we can say a is equal to 5 if Python is understand that yes there is a and variable a whose value is 5. But here you have to declare first, then you have to write. Now second line, it uses just few lines to complete a command, other uses semicolons or parentheses. This I want to say that here we have completed this line in equal to that we have to put here semicolon. If we don't put here and we line a equal to 5, then it will give you error. Why error? Because it doesn't understand that yes my first line is completed and we have to move to the second line. But in Python, you have to just write a is equal to 5, and if you write b is equal to 6, then it here the line changing and it understand that yes my first line is complete and we have to move to the second line and this line is different code. But in this we have to put semicolon, then a is equal to 5, then it understand yes my first line is completed and we have to move the second line. There are a lot of many things different. I will tell you in the next lecture that where we are using a program, we see that if this program writing different programming language and how these are different from Python and what are the different syntax used there.